Welcome to this yummy thoracic spine stretch. We call it thread the needle. We're going to start very low on the mat, coming into a tabletop position. You might grab a blanket to cushion your knees or your ankles. You might have an extra cushion underneath your mat, like how I do. You might grab a block or two so that you can bring the earth up to you, and I'll show you exactly how to use that in just a moment. Coming into tabletop position, if you are someone unfamiliar with tabletop position, travel back in time and check out my Dive Deeper tabletop video. Our gaze is down towards the mat, clawing through our fingers for support. We're going to send the weight into the base of our left palm. Pull your navel to spine, so ensure you aren't arching your back like this. Pull that navel in and draw the tailbone down. Press through the tops of the feet and pull that bow and arrow back. Right elbow high, and then followed by the right fingertips reaching up towards the ceiling. Your gaze is up towards the ceiling, locked out through the left elbow. We take a deep breath in through our nose as our chest is open towards the right. And as you exhale, thread thy needle under. So right arm under the left, maybe the right palm is facing up towards the ceiling. We're going to slide the left fingertips forward. And here is actually where you could use that block. You might use it to support your head. Bring the earth up to you and rest your right ear on that block. You could close your eyes here, extending the left fingertips as far forward as you're able. Really press down to the tops of the feet for some added support. Take a deep breath in through your nose as you're looking under your left arm, your left bicep. And exhale fully. Begin to slide the left palm in towards the temple or the forehead, and then press up and away. We're going to open our chest open to the right side once more, and then rotate that right arm forward and down. Just a gracious journey out of thread the needle. If you use the block, you can keep it there, and we'll journey to the other side as I show you variation number 2 for thread the needle. Bring your big toes to touch. Send your knees super wide as what you're comfortable with. Your weight drops into the base of your right palm just a bit, and then pull that bow and arrow back with the left elbow high, left fingertips tall, reaching towards the sky. Inhaling as you look towards your left thumb. And exhale, thread the needle under the right arm. Maybe support your head and your ear again on that block or a rolled up blanket. And slide the right fingertips towards the top edge of the mat. They might even splay off of the top edge, and that's totally fine. We're looking underneath our right bicep, our right arm. Close your eyes here. Tap into the sensations of the body as best as you can. And the thing that I like about variation number 2 of thread the needle, with the wide child's pose going on the waist below, is that we are now passively stretching our glutes and our inner thighs while also stretching our thoracic spine, the mid back, the upper back, the neck. Slowly slide your right palm back in towards your head, press up and away, and then stretch your chest open to the left side one more time, a gentle twist, and then rotate the left hand forward and down. I do have a third variation of thread the needle. So we can move that block to the side, or you can keep it exactly where it is, and we can bring the knees back underneath the hip points. Curl the toes under, and we're going to stretch the opposite side again. So press your weight into the base of the left palm, and then pull that bow and arrow back, right fingertips high on the inhale. And as you exhale, thread it under. Rest on the outside of your right shoulder. Slide the left fingertips forward. Maybe press your ear and your side of your right head into, and then slide the left leg back behind you. So extending the left leg, extending the left knee. And so now we feel a gentle stretch for the arch of the foot, the heel, and the calf.
while of course still stretching the mid back, upper back, and neck. Inhaling deeply, exhaling fully. Bend the left knee and bring that back under. Slide the left palm towards your skull and then press yourself up and away, stretching the right side of the chest once more and then rotating this right hand forward and down. Uncurl your toes and gently start to sit back on your heels or in a cross-leg position. Take a moment to notice how you feel. And that was Thread the Needle, a really good thoracic spine stretch. It's stretching the shoulders, the neck, the upper back, the mid back. It's a really nice decompressive type of stretch to do any time of the day, any time of the year. And I am so honored that you tapped into this video. Consider leaving a comment down below to let me know exactly what you think of Thread the Needle. Does it work for you? Do you have to add maybe an extra block underneath yours? Share with us your secret sauce, and I can't wait to see you in the next video.